Alright guys, this is my new and improved setup for the AIY Google kit, for the voice kit. And as you can see, it's running smoothly. But again, it's running off a Raspberry Pi 3. I still can't get it to run on a Raspberry Pi 0W, so that's still in progress, but at least this thing works. And I can ask it whatever I want. For instance, I can ask it, "Okay, Google, what's the weather like?"
Currently in Irvine, it's 71 degrees and clear. The forecast tonight is 68 degrees and partly cloudy.
Alright, so that works. And the other cool thing about it now is it's portable. It's not connected to any wires. As you can see, it's connected up to my little power bank here, and I can carry it around anywhere I want it to, and it will work so long as it's connected to Wi-Fi, obviously. And of course, I'm going to ask it another questions, and you'll see it will have commands setting up over there, and I'm using VNC, which allows me to use my iPad or whatever phone to control it. So that's another step forward. I don't always have to have my computer with me. So here we go. Okay, Google, help me wash my hands.
Wash your hands for 40 seconds, please.
Okay, Google, stop. Alright, anyway. As you can see, there's a lot of things that I can do with this now, and hopefully I'll be able to get some robot parts to actually move with this all together. There's a chance I could stick this on a tank or something and then do stuff, but you know, still a step forward, which is nice for a change. Alright, see you guys in the next video.